Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to DigiLearn Community YouTube channel, and this is Nutan Kumar, and I hope everyone doing great. So today I come up with one more video on placement hiring process. Okay. So before going in detail, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified whenever I upload any video. So let's get started. This is a very important video. Updated information about pattern, topics, questions for Capgemini 2021 pass-out batch hiring. Okay, don't miss. Please watch till the end of the video. So let's move on. Firstly, we will check with eligibility criteria for Capgemini. First, candidate should check with Capgemini Partner College or not. Contact your placement head. And candidates should possess or pursuing BE, BTech or MCA and branches from CS and IT and also circuit branches. Minimum 60% in 10th, 12th and graduation, and no active backlogs are allowed during this entire recruitment process. 1 year gap between 12th and first year of graduation is allowed. 1 year gap will be given. The designation or job role will be senior analyst. Salary will be 3.8 lakhs per annum, may vary according to your college. So this is about eligibility criteria and job role with package. So we'll check what will be the pattern for assessment. This is the old pattern. Okay, don't follow this. Now Capgemini updated their pattern to this. Please follow this. Okay. The first round will be technical assessment pseudocode, and those who clear technical assessment pseudocode will be eligible for MCQ based English communication test, and those who clear English communication test game based will be eligible for game based aptitude test. And next one is behavioral competency profiling, and finally technical and HR interview. Okay, this is new pattern for Capgemini. Please everyone follow this. First round, pseudo code round. This will be elimination round. Note it down. Consists of 30 questions, 30 minutes. 30 questions divided into 2 sections with common timer. Around 7 theory based and 23 pseudo code questions. Out of 7, 2 questions on data structures, queues and binary numbers, and other 23 questions based on C or C++ based questions. Okay, they can ask any language, or they can ask C or C++. You must be familiar with both the languages, C or C++. Okay. And the questions will be medium level and easy but time consuming. And tip of this section will be solve second section first, because first section is time consuming. Okay, this is about pseudo code round, and note it down, this is elimination row. You need to cross cut off. Next round will be MCQ based English communication test. This is also the elimination round. Consists of 30 questions, 30 minutes. Reading comprehension, 3 passages will be given. Level will be easy to difficult level. Consists of 20 questions. Closed test passages, 2 passages will be given. 6 questions. Para jumble, sentence rearrangement, 3 questions. Direct and indirect speech, 3 questions. Fact, inference, judgment, 2 questions. Replacement and correction, 3 questions. Synonyms, 2 questions. And finally, error spotting, 1 question. Please follow this pattern and get familiar with this. Okay. Next one is game-based aptitude test. This is also elimination round. Note it down. There will be 4 rounds in game-based aptitude test with 5 to 8 minutes for each round. Consists of grid challenge, motion challenge, inductive challenge, similarity grids, deductive challenge, switch challenge, digit challenge, inductive challenge, which does not fit the rule. Tip for this assessment will be grid challenge is difficult as the number of dots go on increasing. So do try to concentrate on other challenges. Okay, so this grid challenge is very difficult. And next one is behavioral competency profiling. This is non-elimination round. 100 questions. There is no time limit for this. Okay, and that's it. This is about Capgemini 2021 pass out recruitment process. So if you have any queries regarding regarding Capgemini recruitment process, please comment on comment section and I'll try to answer. And if you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you.